Well, it looks like I got a brand new sticker installed on my garage door opener. Hey, Rocky, what's up?
Well, first and foremost, we put a more aesthetically pleasing sticker up there with the real pros to call in a situation when you're having garage door issues, my friend.
Let me hear it.
So let's give it a whirl. You'll hear that it is moving a lot more quietly and efficiently for you.
And what did you do?
So the first thing we do is check the garage door for balance, and anybody can do this. What you do is you pull this lever here and you take your garage door down manually, and if it doesn't slam down or try to pull up, that means it is perfectly in balance. And with this door being about 2 years old, that is to be expected. But as the doors get older and the springs get older, they lose tension. And it's important to know, because just like a smoke alarm goes off at 2 o'clock in the morning, your spring's not going to break at noon on a Saturday. It's going to happen when you're buzzing out the door to get to the airport or get to work. And so the maintenance that we did on this is so important. So we start with the balance, and then we lubricate all of your hinges, your rollers, and in this case with the chain drive, we go ahead and lubricate the chain drive as well. And so upon inspection and upon doing the tune-up on your doors most certainly get an A+. And for those of you with older houses and older doors, there was some research that was done last year that shows in the Charlotte area, replacing a door, the cost versus value, you actually recoup 105% of your value with a garage door replacement. So if you're looking to sell your home and you got some dings or it's running ratty, you can put a new door in there and recoup your cost and then some.
Well, who wants the aggravation of having your wife call you and say, honey, the garage door is broken? Right?
Indeed. I think preventative maintenance is key in this matter. So look to do it every 6 months or so, like you said with your HVAC.
What's a good phone number for you here at ProLIFT?
Yes, sir. Well, I would say you can call me direct, all the adoring fan bases. So I would love to speak with you again.
Wait, did you just say adoring fan bases?
Yes.
I'm not sure we're there yet.
Okay.
I mean, you adore you or adore me?
Adore you,
Or
sir.
my dog. Okay.
Yeah, we definitely adore the dog. So
go ahead, man.
Again,
By the way, you're kind of like a skateboard dude, aren't you?
that is very much true. So
wow.
I've been doing it for years, and I make skateboard lights as well, and we donate all the proceeds to this great organization called Shred Foundation as well.
Cool.
But again, if you want any garage door advice or you want us to come take a look or do a tune-up for you, I can be reached again at 704-965-4308. 704-965-4308.
There you have it. Thanks, Rocky.
Thank you.